Hi, I'm Dr. Rahul Bharad. I welcome you all to my series What Life Has Taught Me Yesterday. Today, when I'm recording this video, is 16th of April 2023. I'll be talking what 15th of April has taught me in life. As you all know, on 15th April to 2:27 a.m., Titanic went into the ocean completely. It sank completely. So it's been almost 111 years yesterday that Titanic ship went into the ocean, and which was one of the most tragic event humans have ever experienced. So we all should uh, should hope that nothing such incidents happens ever in the human evolution, and we all should take care of ourselves in such big journeys like Titanic and all the cruises. About yesterday, most important lesson I got from life was about health professional. Many a times what happens that when I deal with intensive care and intensive patients, intensive care is very much hard work, you can say, not only for doctors but also for relatives, because babies are admitted in intensive care. When they are sick, they are admitted in intensive care. Any patient, when they is or she is sick, is admitted in intensive care. So particularly in NICU, many babies require intensive care for a prolonged period because of their various illnesses and their low birth weight and various problems they face. So what lesson I got from yesterday throughout my life, uh, like from my yesterday's life, is that many times parents are not prepared mentally, parents are not prepared economically to sustain that pressure, and sometimes they may give up. They know, as a doctor it is our responsibility, we usually educate them, counsel them time to time, but they simply ignore whatever doctors are telling, and they just hope that something miracle will happen, and they will get financial assistance from somewhere. But when the patient is about to be discharged, or even when the patient gets critically ill even further, there is more requirement of the money, there is more requirement of the drugs and various medicines and all. And in that situation, the parents go panic. They lose usually control of their emotions and all, and that is very big important aspect of their mental burden whenever some of their relatives is admitted in intensive care. So that was the most important lesson I got from it. Actually happened, one or two patients, they were drained completely economically also, but still their babies were requiring treatment and they were not able to continue treatment. So many times we have to shift the babies to other hospital, and in that, uh, patients actually might have problems. Parents, if they are well prepared, they can treat their children or any patients properly. First of all, whenever any of our relatives is admitted in intensive care, we shall be prepared. Even if we don't have money, we shall make some arrangements for that money, so that whatever hospital you are treating in, that hospital can give proper care. If you are not able to do proper justice to the treatment, you will have to shift the patient to other hospital, and that creates a lot of emotional stress, emotional burden to the relatives. If they are not prepared, they will suffer. That was the most important lesson I got. I don't want to reveal details of whatever happened yesterday about that incidences, but ultimately what lesson I got, that if parents are prepared mentally, if they are prepared financially during the admission or during the suffering of the baby, they can be less stressed at the end whenever the patient is getting discharged. If they are not prepared, they will ultimately have to suffer economically and mentally also. It will be a big burden for them. So that was the most important lesson I got from yesterday. It was very heartening to know how parents are also suffering mentally and financially, but they have to be prepared for it. There is no other option. It is ultimately their own patient, for which any hospital or any doctor is taking care of, and that is the reason they have to bear that burden emotionally also and financially also. Most important news I came across yesterday is about Elon Musk Starship, SpaceX company, which is owned by Elon Musk. will be launching tomorrow, that is on Monday 17th April, Starship, which will be moving around the earth in a orbital region. That will be a preparation for future missions of the same company Starship to the moon, and then if possible to the Mars. So Elon Musk is one of the richest person in the world, and his like this agency is trying to deal and trying to make future traveling from earth to moon and from earth to Mars even economical than what is expected was expected earlier. And first orbital licensing has been done tomorrow around 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on 17th of April. That will be launched to check whether it will be suitable to be traveling to moon and Mars. I'll be sharing link in the description box. If you want to read more about that, please go to the description box and check that news. For today we'll stop here. I hope you people are enjoying your Sunday. So try to learn something from your Sunday also. What you people are learning from your Sunday, do tell me in the comment box. For today we'll stop here. Bye bye.